I asked ChatGPT, you communicate with thousands of English speakers daily, right? So tell me, what are the most common mistakes they make? And guess what? The answer kind of shocked me. So, ChatGPT, spill the tea. What mistakes do English learners keep making over and over? He said, as ChatGPT, I literally see these same mistakes every single day from native speakers and learners. It's wild how no one's correcting them, even though they're super common. Let's break the silence and expose these errors. Mistake one, I didn't went or I didn't go. Which one is correct? First up, I didn't went to school. Yeah, no, that's wrong. Here's why. Did already shows past tense. So the verb right after it must be in the base form. You don't need another past verb like went. Correct way, I didn't go to school. Mistake two, she do homework every day. Yikes. That's a subject verb agreement error. With he, she, it, the verb needs to change. Use does not do. Correct. She does homework every day. Well, mistake number three, more better or better. Which one? The classic one. This one is more better. Stop right there. Here's why better already means more good. So adding more is just extra and wrong. Just say this one is better. Take number four. According to me, or in my opinion, if someone said according to me, yeah, that doesn't work in English. Here's why. Because we use according to when we refer to sources like news or experts, not for personal opinions. Say, in my opinion, this is wrong. Mistake five. My families are, or my family is. Which one? You're talking about your mom, dad, siblings, and you say, my families are amazing. Wrong again. Because family is a collective noun. Even if it means many people, we treat it as one unit. So it's, my family is amazing. Mistake six. This is overusing word very. Saying very all the time. Very tired, very hungry, very cold, blah. Smart speakers level it up. Very tired, exhausted, very cold, freezing, very hungry. Starving. Mistake seven. So much tired or so tired. You feel exhausted and you say, I'm so much tired. Not again. Because so much is for nouns, not feelings. Say, I'm so tired. Mistake 8. I am agree or I agree. Which one? I am agree with you. Nope, that's not it. Because agree is a verb, not an adjective. So you don't need am, just say I agree. 9. Me and my friend went, or my friend and I went. Which one is correct? You and your friend went out. But you say, me and my friend went shopping. Nope. Here's why when you're the subject, use I. Say, my friend and I went shopping. Mistake 10, couldn't able to or couldn't. I couldn't able to attend the class. You're mixing two expressions. Choose one, either say, I couldn't attend or I wasn't able to attend, but not both. So, how many of these mistakes have you made before? Be honest in the comments. I'll be there too. Like, share, and subscribe to Speak Fluent English, where we don't just speak, we speak it right. See you in the next video.